if you reach out this point, you're now dividing both sides by 3. Divided by 3 kunokwana negative 5 less than x. Shaka 1 2 ma inequalities ako I. For final answer yako chazonyora sei ndo panenge paine nyaya handizika. Meaning kuti panapa watanga watonyora negative 5 which is with less x, panapo wazonyora x which is less than or equal to 7/4. So you start with the number yako which is the smallest value from this case. Nekuti tikuraza range. Saka range yedu tunotanga nyora number diki and tikatozopesana number hombe kunoko kana tine ma symbols yedu like the ones which are given. Saka wakungotanga kunyora this one wakutoti negative 5 less than x. X wako wanyora panapa ush. This one. This x wanyora ndiye ari kurepresent one in this section. Saka wakutonyora panapa wakutota continuation wakutizoti x less than or equal to 7/4. Saka answer yako unoboisia iri like this, which is you are going to leave it as negative 5 less than x less than or equal to 7/4. Saka that is why panapa tirikuona tine this answer tapiwe. Tashika this section again. Tirikuzonzisusu we have to illustrate the solution on a number line. Taku drop a number line. Sapa number line pedu triku represent this one which is given. Saka takuya tongo draw a number line ya yedu as usual. We have got this number line. So we are starting with negative 5. Pana ponongo nongwesa negative 5. Kunoko tongwesa after 7/4. Then we label this is x. Pana trikuti negative 5 less than. Saka kasheko kanaka kanenge kasiri shaded unongo draw kasheko kana negative 5. Kunoku kuna 7/4 kwakanze x less than or equal to, meaning kuti the circle repa now 7/4 it has to be shaded like this. Then you have to join these two watawana this type which is this inequality repanapa. That is the illustration of the inequality on a number line. Tava ipapo tikuzoenda to the last part which is part number 3. Yakanzi write down the smallest integer value of x that satisfies the inequality. Tikungoti tikuda number diki which is the smallest integer value. Smallest value iri kuratidzwa this inequality ndo iri kudiwa, the smallest one. Nditasa nini from the first part, smallest value yangu from this inequality the negative 5 andaganda pure, but negative 5 is not included panapa nekuti negative 5 anze less than x, meaning kuti negative 5 is less than x. Saka imwe number inotera pana negative 5 but iri in this range ndiani is negative 4. So I'm going to take negative 4 as my answer.